Yeah, welcome. This is Anthony of Tutorial Skills. Welcome to another video in our series of tutorials. Today we are going to teach you, just take you through basically a basic tutorials on plugins and exactly what are plugins. If you go visit our data page, show you what are plugins. Plugins actually they are add-ons really. They give additional features, to your programs. And are they really necessary? I would say they are necessary in a way because they are very, very useful. Because without plugins, you may not be able to actually carry out some functions on your website. The steps are quite simple, really, but the most important one is also to have basic knowledge of the hypertext preprocessor language. It's a scripting language. PHP is called. At least just have a basic knowledge of that for you to be able to know exactly how it works. And this is our series. We are going to create a folder, and inside that folder, we're going to put a file. That's our main plugin file. And that main plugin file, we have to make sure that we name it the same name as the folder, and the name has to be very, very unique. If it's not unique, then it could contradict or probably conflict with other plugins in WordPress. So it's often advised that make sure that you name your plugin, have a unique name for your plugin, really. And I'll just take you through. As you can see, for this our purpose, what is important here is actually the file that you're going to have inside that folder. And for this purpose, we have a folder called tooth formatting, and we'll name this file tooth formatting as well, tooth formatting but .php, just to give it the same name as I told us. That's what it must have, the same name as a folder. And the function basically is to change wherever it sees success story, changes to milestone. And once you activate on your dashboard where you have plugin, you activate here. So we presently have it activated. So, but if you go to, that's what it is basically. So if I take you to our home page, you will see that it has changed. It has changed the word success story to milestone. And how do I know? If I edit it, because I have access to the back end, you actually see the main text there. If I edit it, I go to the visual, you can see that it's actually success story. So on the background is success story. Meanwhile, what is appearing to viewers will be milestone. So we've changed success story to milestone using that plugin. That's what it is. So if I view the page, you will see what I mean. If I view it, you will see what I mean exactly. So view changes. Okay. At times it slows up, but as soon as you get used to it, it shouldn't be a problem really. So it loads up. See, a milestone. That's it. That's it basically. But let me show you before I sign off. Let me quickly show you. That's the folder. If I edit it, so I'll open it up, you'll see the function. That's it. That's the function saying the same thing I showed you on the page. Saying change whenever you see success story, change it to milestone, and that's it. Especially is a text. It doesn't mean string replace. Replace whenever is a string. So whenever you see it, whenever you see success story, change it to milestone. That's all. This add underscore filter means saturate the content. Okay, and perform. This is my function. That's it basically. So thank you for joining us. See you next time, fellas.